Welcome back to another video. This is going to be Lidl's Visage selection box for 2018 by Standard Fireworks. It's got 16 fireworks. There are the contents. It's got, it's got 296.8 grams apparently. It's quite a nice little box for $12.99. The box is a bit flimsy, but it's a firework code, what you should always read and follow the instructions. So this is the box. It's got a moon form Roman candle, which is 5 shots, and it's 6 grams. I think they're all 6 grams. Is that one? Moonfall. Is this one? Dazzling. Or Darling Dazzle. And there is this one, which is Star Blizzard. Quite nice size little candles. Probably be alright. You set them in a free like that, probably. You've viscoed them together. You've got a little safety lighter. And you've got some couple little tiny fountains here, which are very small for a selection box like this. These have got 6 grams each. Coral and Defy, I think that one's called. Strange names. You've got a couple here. You've got Stardust and Will-o'-the-Wisp, I think that's called. These have got 12 grams NEC. That's them. You've got a couple of big shot tubes here. I've had these before, really good shot tubes. Get packs of these. Quite a nice, decent sized shot tube. We've got 16 grams in them. So they've actually got more in them than TNT's Loud and Clear. So you should, that one's called Stardrum, is it? Stardrum, something like that. Probably saying that wrong. This one is Xenon, or Exxon, something like that. That's the same. Quite nice size shot tubes they are. You've got another little fountain here, which is Citrine, is it called? It's 12 grams, a bit bashed. Yeah, that's that. So moving on to these bigger, well, you'd think they were bigger fountains, 18 grams. These are quite poor, to be fair. If you look at this, it's kind of just a massive box of one tiny little tube in them. You can't really expect a lot for $12.99, but it's really poor, that is. You could fit about 6 tubes in there. 6 or 8 tubes. Could make them really decent fountains, but probably don't get that. And that one's the same. Night Tide. They might be alright, they might, but don't know, 18 grams. And we've got the last fountain, which is metallic fountain, is it? Yep. And it's got 20 grams of NEC in. Quite light. And then in this box it's quite unusual. You've got 3 cakes, which is quite nice for a change for a $12.99 selection box. This one's, I think it's a bit of a funny shape, this one is. This one's a 21 shots. It's called Dragon's Fury. It's quite a nice little cake actually for a selection box. It's got 39.2 grams in. It's like you got 3 rows of tubes about as big as a 5p piece, so it might be alright. Obviously this box is brand new for this year, so I'm not sure what it'll do. But it's quite good. And then here we've got another little cake, which is 18 shots, which is whistling waves, so it'll be like a, probably be a bit like a missile cake, I would imagine, small missile cake, something like that. This one's got 33.6 grams in it, 18 shots. Probably really should attach that to like a little steak or something, or put it between some bricks. That's that. And then you got this last big cake here, which is called excuse me, Britannic Blaze, 30 shots. It's like three or 4 rows of tubes, like 3 rows of 10. Quite a nice little cake really for a selection box. It's got 56 grams in it, so it's not going to be massive, but it's quite a nice little thing for a little selection box cake. Obviously you'd probably start off with one of these little cakes, probably this one, and you'd probably finish on one of these cakes if you're just getting the box, probably this one. So yeah, it's quite impressive by standard, to be honest. It's standard fireworks these days are usually pretty poor, to be fair. But this year's Lidl selection looks pretty good. They've got a few. You've got a new 3 for 20 deal I'll do a video of. Then they've got this visage. They've got a few new cakes. Beefeater has a big cake. It's quite a good one. Got packs of rockets. Like, it's all new, really, all standard. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. That's it.